Beautiful people, I hope you guys are all doing well. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are a new subscriber, hello, hi, my name is BelleImichelle. I do fashion videos such as hauls and lookbooks, and I vlog my travels here and there, as well as doing a few life motivational and advice videos. If you're not already part of my family, then please join. We are a lovely family here. All you have to do is press subscribe right there. It's free and we like free stuff. And make sure you have your post notifications turned on for me as well when you subscribe, because my upload schedule is a bit irregular. So to make sure that you never miss an upload, put on your notifications. So in this video, I'm going to be trying a whole heap of BECCA products that my wonderful man got for me for Valentine's Day. It was actually one of my presents. He actually filmed me when he was showing me my present. I might put like a little clip here. And it was so weird because, right, side story, this guy actually convinced me that he got me a turtle for Valentine's Day, and I was just so confused. First, he convinced me that he got me it, and I just thought that would be very stupid because I'm allergic to animal fur, so most animals I can't have as pets. So I can't have dogs or cats. I can't even wear like Canada Goose jackets because I will break out in a rash. So I just thought, that's a bit insensitive. Are you just trying to get rid of me? Like, do you want to break up with me but you don't know how to do it, so you're just trying to kill me off? Like, no, I'm joking. But yeah, then he convinced me he got me a tortoise, and it was just like, I was so upset. I'm not even gonna lie, I was so upset because I'm a really good present giver and I really put a lot of thought into my present. So the fact that he really convinced me that he didn't get me anything, I was just like, right, I put so much thought into your present and you've got me a tortoise, or you haven't got me anything. Yeah, I wasn't impressed. But yeah, he got me an absolutely amazing present. I love backpacks, and I've been saying for a while that I want to get a new one, and that's exactly what he got me. He got me this one for Michael Kors, which is so cute. This is what the bag looks like. I love this bag so much, and the straps are actually detachable. It's made out of real leather as well, which I love. And then, so I thought, yeah, this is my present. Like, I would have been happy with just this because he actually got me something I wanted and got me something that I need. But inside the bag was a whole lot of makeup. I was literally like, oh my god. My boyfriend doesn't really know a lot about makeup, so I was thinking, babe, how much did you spend? Because number one, BECCA ain't cheap, and number two, this is a whole lot. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of makeup in this, plus my bag. I was so happy, I was so grateful, I was so thankful, I felt joyous, fulfilled. I was really
at this point I realized I have lipstick on my teeth, but we're gonna roll with it. Thanks.
Really happy. Yeah, I just really appreciate it, and I was just like, oh, all of this for me? Yeah, I have an amazing man. I love him. So in this video, what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to be trying all of these BECCA products on my face. I actually used all of these products to do this look right now, and I'm just going to say right now, I love the look. I love the products. I'm going to talk about each individual product, give you a miniature review, and if there are any products that you want me to get a bit more in depth with, particularly the foundations, he got me 2 foundations in here. We're just going to get into it, and just for the fact that my boyfriend got me this makeup, I think you guys should give this a thumbs up, because I mean, let's appreciate a good man. So if you want to see how I got this look using all of these products, then keep watching. So for the sake of time, I've already done my eyebrows off camera, and please excuse this kind of white thing that's going on here. I have actually just used the primer. Can I rub this off? Because I just feel like it's so weird to be talking with this around my mouth. So yes, the first product I used was the BECCA primer, and this is actually a primer I've used before. I had it as a sample and I was actually going to buy this. This is amazing. This is very similar to my Kiko primer, which I've raved about, and you know Kiko has discontinued it and brought something new, and I spoke about it in my last tutorial. So the BECCA primer looks like this. You would have probably already seen it all over YouTube because everyone literally raves about it. The consistency is like this, so it's literally a white kind of cream. That's a lot. I'm gonna put some of that on my face, but this is the consistency. It has a very nice consistency. One of his friends who's actually a makeup artist at BECCA, she helped him get the products, and she said you can actually use this over your makeup because of the texture of it. I don't know how that would work. Whenever I see her, I'm gonna ask her like to teach me how you'd use it over your makeup, because I think that would be absolutely fantastic. Definitely recommended, especially if you have oily skin like myself. Going into my bag of goodies, he got me 2 different types of foundation. The first is the Aqua Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation in Deep Bronze, and then the second one is the Ultimate Coverage Foundation Complexion Cream in Coca, however you say it. Now, like I said, his friend actually helped him with my shades and everything, and when he was actually getting the makeup for me, he was like, oh, what's your shades in YSL? Because I was complaining for so long about trying to find my YSL foundation that I couldn't find, so he kept on asking me what my shade is, and he made it seem like his friend wanted to get makeup for his girlfriend, and his girlfriend's a similar complexion to me. His friend was really good. Like, she got my foundation shade using the photos on my Instagram page. So this is what the bottle looks like, and it also comes with a pump. She might have actually got my shade right. I'm gonna try both of them on my face. This is the BECCA Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. Now this looks kind of light, but it might just be the bottle. It says shake well before use, so okay, I'm just shaking my wrist, not the actual bottle. So I've shook it well. Oh, okay, look at this little thing here. It's kind of cute. Oh, it's like it's a drip. I'm gonna assume you press this and then take some up. Okay, this is new. Never had this before. Is that dripping? Right, I think it might be a tad bit light. This one definitely has more of a grey undertone. Wow, this one actually, no, this one is way too light. And then if I do some sort of mixation, mixing them is not too bad. Initially what I was gonna do is I would do one half one foundation and then the other half the other foundation, but I might actually mix them. I can clearly see that the Aqua Luminous foundation is a bit too light for me, as you can see in this area. However, the Ultimate Coverage foundation, I think it's really good for me, and I can also feel that the Ultimate Coverage foundation is more of a full coverage foundation, whilst I think the Aqua Luminous is something that I'd probably wear more in summer around this time, more for kind of like a fresh glow. So I've just put them both in the back of my hand and I'm mixing them together. I think mixing these two was the perfect thing to do because wow, Nedge, I love you, baby girl. You literally matched me perfectly in terms of mixing them together. Wow. Like I said before, I think Ultimate Coverage is more full coverage, which is probably why this is probably going to look like a full coverage look in terms of the foundation, but I do think the Aqua Luminous foundation is more of a lightweight foundation. Wow, this is such a perfect match. This applies so easily. Love the application. Definitely is full coverage. I feel like you can tell I have foundation on, and any marks or discoloration I have on my face you can't see. Obviously I do have texture on my skin because I've got big pores and everything, and I like the whole kind of dewy effect. Even my pearl is glistening. So the other things he got me were 3 of the BECCA Shimmering Skin Pressed Powders. I really love the BECCA package. It's such good sturdy packaging. This is Topaz, and this is what Topaz looks like. This next one I have is called Rose Gold. This is what Rose Gold looks like. And then the last one is Gold Pop. I really like the names of these. And this is what Gold Pop looks like. So I've just swatched all 3 of them. So here we have Gold Pop, Rose Gold and Topaz. Now Rose Gold looks a tad bit ashy, however it doesn't actually look that white in real life. It kind of is very similar to the highlight I actually use right now, which is actually an eyeshadow by Kiko. Topaz looks like it would be the perfect highlighter on dark skin, and Rose Gold I really like. It's kind of like a pinkish gold. These are called Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Powders. Directions: sweep across face or apply to targeted areas including cheekbones, brow bones and bridge of nose. So essentially they're all highlighters, which is perfect, and that's what I said to him when he was asking me what kind of makeup his friend should buy for his girlfriend. I said highlighters and eyeshadow. I'm actually gonna try Gold Pop, the one that looks a bit ashy. I'm actually gonna use that as my highlighter, and then I'm gonna use Rose Gold and Topaz for my eyeshadow look. And then the last 2 products that he got me was a bronzer and a luminous blush powder. So I'll show you the bronzer first. This is called their Sunlight Bronzer. Very pretty color. So this is what the Sunlight Bronzer looks like, and it is very pretty. I think I might actually use that as my blush. I just really like the BECCA packaging. Even if you just want to use them for decoration, they still look really pretty. I'm just going to show you guys now. Like, I've got them all placed here and they just look so pretty together. And the last thing he got for me is, like I said, the blush. This is the Shimmering Skin Skin Perfector Luminous Blush in the color Blushed Copper, and this is what it looks like. Oh wow, this is from One Sweet. I feel like this looks more like a bronzer. I think all the products that he's picked out for me have a bit of a shimmer to them, which is good because shimmer is always good on dark skin. Well, he did have some help. I think I said before, one of his friends actually works in BECCA, so his friend gonna become my friend. We gonna be friends. We are gonna be friends. She helped him pick out actually I think she picked out most of the color. They both picked amazing. Nedge, I love you. So because I'm working with a lot of shimmer colors here, I'm actually gonna need a kind of matte color for my transition color, and I'm gonna go into my I Heart Makeup Chocolate Vice palette, and I'm gonna use this color here as a transition color. I'm just gonna pop it on. I'm gonna apply some of the rose gold into my middle area, and all I'm doing now is just patting that color on, building it up, and then I'm gonna blend it out. And then I'm actually gonna incorporate the sunlight bronzer he got me in Mew Lights. Oh, that's a nice picture opportunity. I'm just gonna put it in my outer V area, and when you apply it, it actually doesn't have that much of a shimmer. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with Topaz and just put that in my inner tear ducts, and I might also use it as a brow highlight. Ooh, Topaz is a really pretty color. Now, you don't have to brow highlight. I know for some people like to do it, some people don't. I love it. Topaz is a very pretty brow highlight. Oh my god, I really like it as a brow highlight. So I've done my eyeliner and also concealed and set my concealer off camera because that's not really what this video is about. I still can't find the brush that I used for my gel eyeliner, so it was another episode of struggle eyeliner, but I feel like I made it work as much as I could. And yeah, so this is the makeup look, and I really like it. It's very simple. It's very me, very understated. For my blush, I'm gonna apply the one that he got me from BECCA, and this is their luminous blush in Blushed Copper, and this is what it looks like. Okay, it is very pigmented and it does have a tad bit of a shimmer to it, but not too much. But in terms of wow, it looks a bit more like a highlighter rather than a blush. So definitely use this with a soft hand, not like me, but it's alright. We're gonna blend it out. Okay, once you blend it out, it doesn't have that much of a shimmer to it. I think it's more just when the light catches it. And then finally, I'm gonna go in with Gold Pop as my highlight. Like I said, it looks a tad bit ashy, but I'm believing in this and that I think it's actually gonna look quite good as a highlight. So this could be the make or break. Kind of nervous. I really want this to look good and not ashy. Whoa. Wow. Wow. This might be my new favorite highlighter. I hope this is coming off really good on camera, but it really looks like a very natural glow from within. I think this is my favorite product so far. Let's do the nose and the Cupid's. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Love this, love this, love. Mwah. Love this. Okay, I'm gonna do my lip. We're gonna come back and then we're gonna close it all up. So I've just applied my lip product. So I used MAC's Chestnut to line my lips, and then I used Antique Velvet from MAC also. So then I also added another lip product from MAC, Velvet Teddy, just in the middle, just to give a kind of brownish nude lip situation, which I think goes with this look. Les rages, je les calcule même pas, j'ai déjà pêché dans le rétro. So happy with this look. This look is me. This is essentially my everyday look using BECCA products, because this is me. So my baby definitely did amazing, and I love you so much, so much. Like, this look is moi. It is moi. It is BECCA. In terms of the products, the highlighters, I used them as eyeshadow. Very good as eyeshadow. The star of the show is Gold Pop. This highlighter is amazing. I mean, come on. Come on. I am highlighted bright like my future. I will definitely be using this again and again. This is gonna become a staple in my makeup collection. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment and let me know which product you like the best. What do you think of the foundation, the highlighter, the look, everything? I really love reading like all of your comments, and I always try to reply to everyone as well, so let me know what you think. Remember to like, and if you haven't already, don't forget to put your post notifications on for me so that you never miss an upload, because my upload schedule is a bit irregular right now, but I'm working on it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. And while you're here, if you haven't already seen my previous video, I will put it right here. If you do like this whole makeup thing that I'm trying to do, then you will like this video, and yeah, click it. You've already watched this one, you might as well watch that one as well. Bye!